we start, I've just found out some key information. Dave used to be a boxer, but not just any boxer. Quite some time ago, what, 2 decades ago, you were Scottish champion.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy. So how many wins? How many losses? How many knockouts?
No knockouts, because I started when I was 7 years old. And
What, how old?
7.
Scottish are hardy folk. You started boxing at 7?
7 years old.
I guess every child started boxing at 7,
It's
right?
normal, yes, just normal.
And you boxed, and then when did you become a Scottish champion?
I was like 18.
Man. So if there was trouble at the pub, did all your friends come to you for backup?
Push me in front.
Yeah, you get in there, Dave. You're like, I don't want to fight, man. You're the idiot who threw your beer on that dude. I'm
Yeah.
not fighting. That's your problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you win.
Wow. There we go. So we've got ex-Scottish boxing champion from the age of 18. He's now 33, and he's going to be doing some lamb. So you've got the saddle, right?
Yeah, this is a short saddle.
Short saddle.
Yeah, so it's just the back end of the lamb
Right.
before it comes onto the rump.
Show the cameras where it is,
So
man.
you're speaking about your back here. Yeah.
Don't get mesmerized by that rump right there. Okay, now I do know if you cut straight through it and you get both sides
Yeah.
of the saddle, that's the
Barnsley chop.
Barnsley chop.
Yeah.
What are you going to be doing?
I'll do a short saddle, bone and rolled. So it's a boneless short saddle and rolled.
Okay, go
Yeah.
for it. Ex-boxing. Did you know he was an ex-boxing champion? All right.
That's lamb fillets.
These are lamb fillets. You don't call them pencil, do you? Pencil?
Yeah, pencils. yeah.
Pencil?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
pencil.
It's called pencils, yeah.
So lamb fillets, pencil fillets. When you're doing the back strap or the saddleback, venison, these are always the ones that all the chefs want. When you're doing all the hard work, these are the babies. You don't get much, but they're beautiful. Lamb ribs, my favorite thing to eat in the world. Lamb breast, lamb ribs, lamb fat, glistening. I think it's, of all the fats there are, lamb fat's my favorite. But you gotta eat it hot and piping hot and glistening and caramelized. You don't eat cold lamb fat. Oh.
Okay, so we take the fillets and put them back in again.
Okay. Those go back in.
Yeah.
Nice. So quick. Do you know how many lambs a week you guys break down?
That's been 200 maybe.
A week?
Yeah. So we've got a big export, it's mostly lamb.
You break down.
So we don't break in the whole lamb, but we use 200 to 300 saddles.
And this is all lamb from the United Kingdom, correct?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Jeez. Okay. He's no Ian, but he's good.
This is on there.
So I know why Ian does it his way.
Yeah.
It's because he doesn't want to put the knife down.
Yeah, well,
But I'm afraid he's going to hurt himself.
yeah.
See, this way you don't hurt yourself.
You don't hurt yourself, but you do get blisters. This is why Ian uses a knife.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
yeah, when I'm doing this, you're getting blisters from this thing.
Oh man, you don't have calluses from it yet?
No, you get used to it.
You just get used to getting blisters.
Yeah.
What was your longest boxing match ever?
It was always 3 rounds, so I've only gone 3 rounds.
Okay.
Yeah. Shortest, probably 1
1 round?
Yeah.
So no knockouts, or I guess with 3 rounds.
Stoppages, yeah, but
Stoppages.
knockouts, yeah. I mean, you don't get so much knockouts in amateur.
Okay. Did you enjoy that part of your life?
Yeah, no, I loved it.
Kept you fit, right?
Exactly, yeah. Training
Yeah.
3-4 times a week.
Did you meet your missus as a boxer?
No, that was a long time after.
Okay. What did she think when you told her you were a boxer?
I think she was impressed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say it again. What are we doing? It's lamb saddle,
Lamb short saddle, boned and rolled.
lamb short saddle, boned in, rolled.
Yeah.
Boom. Beautiful piece of work. Oh my gosh, that right there. You want that glistening. So you want to hit that with some salt, maybe some rosemary, pepper. roast that bad boy, and that fat will be the best thing you've ever eaten in your entire existence on this planet we know called Earth.